Good morning, children. Today we will study about how to make a magnet. There are several methods of making magnets, but we will see here the simplest one. For this, we have to take a rectangular piece of iron and it is to be placed on the table. Now we have to take a bar magnet and we will place one of its poles near one edge of the bar of iron. And without lifting the bar magnet, we have to move it along the length of the iron bar till we reach to other end of iron bar. Next, we lift the magnet and bring the pole to the same point of the iron bar from which we started. But here we have to keep one thing in mind. The same pole we have to again take from which we started. Okay. Now again we have to move the magnet along the iron bar in the same direction as we did before. And we have to repeat this process about 30-40 times. And then we can bring a pin or some iron filing near the iron bar to check whether it has become a magnet or not. If it has not become a magnet, again we have to continue the process for some more time. In this process, we have to always keep in mind that the pole of the magnet and the direction of its movement should not change. And by this method, we can also use an iron nail, a needle or a blade and convert them into a magnet.